The first step is to decide where you want to roll your money. Many people choose to roll their 401k into an individual retirement account IRA, which gives more control over investments, or into a new employer's 401k if they're eligible. Once you've made that choice, you'll need to open the receiving account if you don't already have one. For example, if you're moving the funds into a Fidelity IRA, you can set that up online quickly. After setting up the new account, contact Fidelity's 401k rollover department to request a direct rollover. A direct rollover means the money is sent directly from your 401k to the new account without you ever taking possession of it, which avoids any tax withholding. Fidelity may either transfer the funds electronically or mail a check made out to your new account provider for the benefit of FBOU, which you then forward to your new institution. Finally, once the funds arrive, you'll want to confirm that they've been deposited correctly into your new account and reallocate your investments according to your retirement goals. Fidelity can also guide you through choosing investment options if you're rolling into one of their IRAs. By handling it this way, you ensure your retirement savings continue to grow tax-deferred without penalties or unnecessary fees.